Welcome to Learning Center. We have learned what is an equation. We have also learned what is a solution and how we solve an equation which has a single variable. But now we will come across two or more unknown quantities or two or more equations relating them. These are called simultaneous equations, and when we are asked to solve them, then we must find values of the unknowns which satisfy all the given equations at the same time. So simultaneous equations are multiple equations that share the same variables and which are all true at the same time. Simultaneous linear equations can be solved either by substitution method or by elimination method. Before going to start a lecture, अगर आप लोगों ने अभी तक हमारा YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, then what are you waiting for? I mean, please do it. Like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So these are the basic steps of solving linear simultaneous equations. Step number 1, write one equation above the other, then get the coefficients to match. Step number 3, add or subtract the equations to eliminate terms with equal coefficient. After that, solve the resulting equation, and last but not the least, substitute the answer into the simplest of the two equations to find the other variable. So with the help of these steps, we can solve linear simultaneous equations easily. There are many ways of solving simultaneous equations. Perhaps the simplest way is elimination. This is a process which involves removing or eliminating one of the unknowns to leave a single equation which involves the other unknown. The method is best illustrated by the following example. So here we have simply two equations, 2x plus y is equal to 5. Another equation is x plus y is equal to 7. With two unknowns, usually x and y. By solving them, we will find the values of x and y that satisfy both equations at the same time simultaneously. So here we have the same number of y's in each. So if we subtract the equations, then the y will disappear. Y cancel हो जाएगा. Then we will get x is equal to minus 2. After that, if we substitute x is equal to minus 2 in कोई सी भी इक्वेशन में अगर रखें, मैंने यहाँ पे इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में रखा है, then we get 2 multiplied by minus 2 plus y is equal to 5. और जब हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे minus 4 plus y is equal to 5, minus 4 लेफ्ट साइड पे तो राइट हैंड साइड पे प्लस का हो जाएगा, then we get y is equal to 9. So in this way we have found the values of x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 9 by elimination method. The substitution method is most useful for systems of two equations in two unknowns. The main idea here is that we solve one of the equations for one of the unknowns and then substitute the result into the other equation. So here we have two equations, same question, 2x plus y is equal to 5. Another equation, x plus y is equal to 7. So from equation number 1 we have x is equal to 5 minus y upon 2, जिसको हमने नाम दिया equation number 3. After that, put the value of x in equation number 2, which is x plus y is equal to 7. यहाँ पे हमने x की जगह क्या उसकी वैल्यू रखी, जो कि है 5 minus y upon 2 plus y is equal to 7. After that हमने इसका LCM लिया तो हमारे पास आया 5 minus y plus 2y upon 2 is equal to 7. So LCM लेने के बाद 5 minus y plus 2y upon 2 is equal to 7. Then 5 plus y plus 2y minus y is equal to y, and 2 इधर डिवाइड में उधर जाके मल्टीप्लाई, 7 2 is 14. So we have 5 plus y is equal to 14. y is equal to 14 minus 5. 5 लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे प्लस का था, राइट हैंड साइड पे नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. So we get y is equal to 9. Now put y is equal to 9 in equation number 3, जो कि हमारी क्या थी, x is equal to 5 minus y upon 2, जो कि हमने इक्वेशन 1 से x की वैल्यू जो है वो रखी थी, जिसको फिर हमने पुट भी किया था इक्वेशन 2 में. So x is equal to 5 minus y की जगह 9, 5 minus 9 upon 2, so x is equal to minus 4 upon 2. Then we get x is equal to minus 2. So in this way we have found x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 9 by substitution method. These are the basic steps of solving non-linear simultaneous equations. Step number 1, rearrange the linear equation to get on the unknowns on its own on one side of the equal side. After that, substitute the linear equation and into the non-linear, and then expand and solve the new quadratic form. Last but not the least, substitute both values back into the simplest equations to find both variables. With the help of these steps, we can easily solve non-linear simultaneous equations. A pair of simultaneous equations, one linear and the other non-linear, can generally be solved by substitution. Firstly, obtain an equation in one unknown by substitution and solve it for this unknown. Next, use the linear equation to find the other unknown. This example will make you clear understand, hopefully. So we have two equations here. Equation number 1 is y square plus 2x plus 1 whole square is equal to 10, and equation number 2 is 2x plus y is equal to 1. So let's start from equation number 2. We have 2x is equal to 1 minus y, which is our equation number 3. After that, substitute equation 3 into equation 1. Equation 1 हमारे पास है y square plus 2x plus 1 whole square is equal to 10. So अब हम इसको सब्सटीट्यूट करने लगे किसके साथ, 2x के साथ. 2x की जगह हमने रखा 1 minus y, यानी हमने रखा y square plus 1 minus y 2x की जगह plus 1 whole square is equal to 10. After this, y square plus 1 plus 1 2 minus y whole square is equal to 10. हमने इस फॉर्मूले को खोला है, a square minus b square फॉर्मूला को. So y square plus y square minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 10. After this, y square plus y square is equal to 2y square minus 4y plus 4 plus 10. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे आएगा तो minus 10 is equal to 0. So then we have 2y square minus 4y minus 6 is equal to 0. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में हमने 2 को कॉमन ले लिया तो हमारे पास बचा y square minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. After that, breaking middle term, y square plus y minus 3 minus y is equal to 0. y को कॉमन लिया, y plus 1 minus 3 को कॉमन लिया, y plus 1 is equal to 0. So we have two brackets, y plus 1 y minus 1 is equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 1 or y is equal to 3. After that, substituting these values into equation number 3. वो करने के बाद हमें x की वैल्यूज़ मिल जाएंगी जो कि होंगी x is equal to 1 और x is equal to minus 1. So in this way we have found that when y is equal to minus 1, then x will be 1, and then when we put y is equal to 3 in equation number 3, then we get x is equal to minus 1. So these are the values that we have found. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. अगर आपको आज की हमारी वीडियो पसंद आई देन प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर यूट्यूब चैनल, प्रेस द बेल आइकन. अल्लाह हाफिज़, टेक केयर.